Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my studio. It is so nice to have you. I got myself a nice cup of coffee because it's the morning, it's beautiful sunshine here and I'm just enjoying the view. And yeah, I've got some very exciting news to share with you. I can't wait. But before I do that, today's vlog is going to be a little bit of a catch up first, and then I've got some bits to do. I've got an order to wrap, a little painting that I sold on Etsy, and I've also got a huge commission on the go at the moment, and I can't wait to show you what I've been working on. So yeah, that is the plan for today. So let's get on to the really exciting news I can't wait to share with you. You may have heard already, but basically I have just launched a brand new online painting course called Learn to Paint with Confidence, and I am so excited. I've been working on it for around 6 months. That's why I've not been so active here on YouTube, because I've just been absolutely hustling to try and make this the best online painting course that I ever could do and imagine. I've been wanting to do an online course for years, for so long. As you know, I love tutorials. I put up so many tutorials on my YouTube channel, and I'm so passionate about helping people discover their love for painting and find that connection with that art form. And this kind of builds on this whole course that I've created. It kind of builds on that and allows you to create work that you dream of. So I get lots of people asking for certain tutorials, and what I wanted to do with this course is to provide a framework that you can follow to create your own unique painting that you love in your own style, in your true unique voice. So if you can just imagine having the confidence in your work to be able to approach a blank canvas, create a plan for your painting, and be able to paint something that you absolutely love, feel proud of, feel connected to in your own style, and feel that it really speaks to you. To be able to do that and let go of all the anxiety, fear of wasting supplies, letting go of all those worries as we are creating, and really finding that creative flow to create truly unique artwork that feels connected to you. So that is the whole point of the course, and that is just an overview. Like, there are so many things covered in the course. Number one is mindset, because I believe mindset is so important to when we create artwork. Like, it's one of the most important things. And what we do in the course is we really delve into how we can create a mindset that will allow us to create work that we truly feel connected to. And it's not just some like floaty words that we talk about, but it's actual physical actions and exercises that are going to help release a lot of those fears and constraints that we have and put on ourselves without even realizing. Then the second step is really looking at improving those actual skills as an artist. So learning how to draw properly, learning how to see like an artist, learning how to build up those layers, how to choose and use your brushes in the best way possible, and really looking at how to mix colors. Literally, we look at how to mix any color, and I kind of show you this little framework that we work through to be able to mix any color that you see. And then the last step, step 3, is developing your style as an artist and finding this framework that you can use to create a painting that you love and that is truly unique to you. So this course is not going to be a bunch of tutorials. I'll just say that now. It's not going to be tutorials like you see on my YouTube. It's going to be much more intense, much more in-depth, and it's been designed in a way that you can follow through, and by the end of it you will know who you are as an artist and be able to start creating work that truly resonates with you, is truly authentic, and it will get you started on your path to becoming a true artist. So that is the course as a whole. I am so excited. So if you want to learn more, in the description box there is a link. Just click on the link in the description box right at the top and you will get an invitation to the course, and you will also get a free taster session, a bit of a free video of how to improve your artwork, to kind of just give you a little bit of a taste of what the course is really about. So head to the description box, click on that link, go and watch the video, see what you think, and yeah, I'll get in touch by email with an invitation to the course. So if you love painting and want to create artwork that you truly love and feel connected to without having to rely on tutorials, then definitely go check out the course. As I say, you get a free taster session just to see if it's kind of like a right fit for you. And yeah, it'd be so amazing to have you in the course. Like honestly, it is just, oh, the response has exceeded my expectations. The response I've had back from people who have enrolled in the course is, oh, it makes my heart sing. Like it makes my heart so happy that I can help and encourage people with their paintings, and it's something that I felt so passionate about for so long, and I just think this community is so incredible. So yeah, it'll be amazing to have you join us if you feel like that's something that you want. So anyway, that's that. If you want to know more, click the link in the description box and I'll send you an email. Also, if you have any questions about the course, I will try and check this YouTube video for the comments, but it's much better to send me an email. Or if you sign up with the link below, you'll get an email from me. Just reply to that email with any questions that you have and I will be happy to help. So that's my exciting news. It is, oh, it doesn't even feel real yet. Like, yeah, I can't believe I have an online course out there in the world. That's so cool. Anyway, what do we have to do today? So next, what I want to do is wrap an Etsy order that I've sold. If you bear with me 1 second, I will go and find the painting and show you. So this is a little painting that I have just sold. It's so cute and tiny. It's a little painting. And on the back, there's a little date and signature. And it also comes with a little easel. So this is what I'm going to be wrapping up now for my customer from Etsy, and yeah, let's do it. So there we go, there we have our Etsy order wrapped. And the other thing I wanted to show you was this painting that I've been working on the past week and a half or so. It is a commissioned bridal bouquet painting and I'm super excited to show you. It's for a gorgeous girl called Morgan. Her wedding bouquet is also one of the most beautiful ones I've ever seen. Apologies, we have an aeroplane currently circling us. So let me show you what I've been working on for my client. So these were the initial sketches and concepts that I was working on. And these are to help me get like the composition correct for what I'd really like for the canvas. These are done in charcoal and I know they're very messy. They're just kind of like a rough sketch, so yeah, I can plan out the painting and I'll show you the painting. So do you want me to show you a little close-up? So this is still in its very early stages. I've done like a few bits, but a lot of it needs a lot of work still and a lot of refining, but I'm just really excited with the way it's going. I feel like there's a lot of like the dreamy atmospheric vibe going on, which is what I really love. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way it's going so far. I'm kind of in love with it. So let me show you some close-ups. Now you might wonder what these blue marks are. There's some up here, then it goes all the way around here, and then a lot here, and then there's some down here as well. where are we? This here. So you might wonder what those random blue marks are. Now they are mapping out the composition. So based on some composition rules, I'm mapping that out before I even put any flowers on or any sketches on. I put those down first. And that is one of the things that I go through in Learn to Paint with Confidence course. I kind of show all like the first initial layers that should go down onto a painting before you even begin. So that's a little sneak peek of the course in action as well and some of the things that I really like to use in my painting process. But yeah, I absolutely love the way it's going, so I'm going to work on this for a little bit now, and yeah, I'm excited. So lately I've been using this brand, which is new to me, Golden. I've seen them a lot, but I actually had trouble getting them for a while because I'm in the UK and I think they're very popular in the US. But yeah, I had a bit of trouble, but I've found a supplier and yeah, I'm so happy. So I've given them a go and I got a whole set because apparently they work best together in a set. So here we go. Let's give them a go. Guys, so I've been working on this for quite a while now. Obviously there is still a lot to do, but I thought I'd show you some close-ups and how it's progressing. So I really want to keep some of these elements of like the brushwork so that it's got like an abstract impressionistic feel, but that when you stand away it kind of creates this whole bouquet. And so there's obviously a lot to do. With these I'm kind of just building up the layers, so I'm building up a layer, letting it dry, building up another layer and letting it dry, and that's the way I'm sort of putting these brush strokes together. But yeah, I've worked on quite a lot there. I've worked on all the roses and added some more layers, and I really just love the way it's going. So I'm really happy that I got to show you what I'm working on at the moment. I hope you guys like it. I love the way that it's coming together. My battery on my camera is about to go at any moment, so I want to thank you so much for joining me in today's vlog. Remember, do not forget to go click the link in the description box to watch a free taster session all about my new online painting course, Learn to Paint with Confidence, because that is what we all want, isn't it? So go and check that link in the description box. You'll get a free lesson all about how to improve your artwork. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!